Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history for BPSC. First, familiarize yourself with the detailed syllabus to understand the scope. Next, divide your study into ancient, medieval, and modern Indian history, giving appropriate weight to each. It is crucial to also dedicate significant time to Bihar's unique historical contributions and events. This foundational approach ensures you cover all necessary areas effectively for the examination. To study effectively, begin with standard textbooks such as Spectrum for modern India and Nsert for a broad overview. As you read, make crisp, short notes focusing on key dates, personalities, and movements. Visual aids like historical maps and detailed timelines are incredibly useful. They help you connect events geographically and chronologically, making complex information easier to recall during the exam. For ancient history, pay close attention to major empires like the Mauryan and Gupta periods and their administrative structures. In medieval India, understanding the rise and fall of the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire is paramount. Modern Indian history demands a strong focus on the Indian freedom struggle, including key movements, leaders, and significant acts. Each period has its unique challenges and requires a tailored approach. Consistent revision is key to retaining the vast amount of historical information. Make sure to revisit your notes and textbooks frequently. Additionally, practicing with previous year's question papers is essential to understand the exam pattern and common question types. This will significantly boost your confidence and time management skills. Also, for other great deals, and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.